This is one of my local shops. As you can see, I've emptied one already, and I've started on the second one. And that's where I get quite a lot of material, which is literally just outside my living room, as I will show you. See? How's that for Andy? Yep, and there's several around the local estates, that I can go and forage in anytime I want. So yeah, not bad having a local free shop outside, is it? Right, that's the gap for the Y home limit mounting block, and the limit switch will go that way, like so. Excuse me. And when I've mounted it, I will come back. So the way I've wired the limit switch up, oopsie, sorry, kicked you out of alignment. My big feet. Okay. I've got the common marked with a black mark, and then because it's in the middle, it's enclosed by the other two, normally closed, and the one that's open to the elements this end is normally open. And that's how I've remembered it. So we're using the normally closed, and you can see by the meter that we've got that. Contacts are 3.3 ohms, so that's neither here nor there. Now I'm going to try and do this so that you can see everything that's happening. And what you do, you get your block or whatever you're going to use to actuate it with. To get the exact position, you just slide it gently until it makes contact, and you have an open circuit. And then all you need to do then is mark where it comes, and there we go. So you've got the end point of the block, and then if you line it up with the edge of the lower table, because this is the sacrificial table, so that'll be taken off and on, and it needs replacing. And what you do then is screw your block in position, and that's your Y homing switch and limit if you want. Okay, right, I'll do that bit and bring you back when I've got it in action. Okay guys?